Hey, what's happening, guys? What's going on YouTube? You've tuned into Rules for Rebels. Today we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing, and I discovered a pretty cool tool today that's going to help you start affiliate marketing without a website. No website needed, no technical skills needed. This is also a tool that could be used by influencers. If you have a blog or a website around a certain theme, you could use it to kind of host products. And what it is, it's called shopper.com, shopper with 2 R's, shopperr.com. And I'm going to kind of take you guys through this today. I'm going to show you guys kind of a little site that I built with Shopper. I'm going to kind of show you guys what kind of the back end reporting dashboard looks like, kind of what your stats are going to look like, and then who this would be good for, as well as kind of exactly like what the heck is it, right? So I actually discovered this. I saw it. Actually, the guy who created it was promoting it on the affiliate marketing subreddit today. And it looked kind of interesting. I decided to check it out. I wound up asking a couple questions about how it works on his post, and he responded back pretty quickly. So I said, you know, what the hell, let's set up one and kind of see how it works. So essentially what this is, it's very similar to the, if any of you guys are Amazon affiliates, you may have been invited to participate in the Amazon Associates influencer program, and essentially they give you a landing page. So I can be like Amazon.com/RulesForRebels, and you know, if I wanted to put together some type of landing page with like, here's the camera I use to make my videos, here's the microphone I use to make my videos, you know, here's these other things that I use. I could kind of set up a landing page with all that stuff. If somebody has a YouTube channel about fishing, you know, here's the fishing rod I use in my videos. Here's kind of my favorite lures. Here's this. You guys get it, you know, kind of the different scenarios that this could be used for. Essentially, this is kind of creating a landing page, and it ties into a bunch of different affiliate programs. So I think they're partnered with Amazon. They're partnered with the eBay Partner Network, Walmart, Udemy. I would say there's probably about 10 or 12 programs on here right now. And what's kind of neat about this, they make affiliate marketing really easy, because instead of having to run around and join a dozen programs and then hop into all these programs and get unique affiliate links to promote different products, you're pretty much able to do everything from one dashboard. So first off, let's talk about kind of who is this for. So if you're kind of completely brand new to affiliate marketing, this could kind of be a way to kind of get your feet wet. If you're an influencer who's not necessarily looking to build out like a whole entire site, but you kind of want some place to send your Instagram followers, your Twitter followers, your Pinterest followers over to this landing page to buy certain products, it might be nice for you. And you have to get approved to be part of the Amazon Merch Affiliate Program. And really, it's just as simple as asking them, and they'll turn it on for you. So I haven't had a chance to personally check this out, but I've heard a lot of people saying, okay, I want like a landing page for all my t-shirts. Well, I'm pretty sure this will pull items from Amazon as well. I hear from a lot of new affiliates, they've been declined to join the Amazon affiliate program, and a lot of times a lot of other affiliate programs. You know, Amazon didn't approve my website for Amazon Associates, or eBay Partner Network didn't approve my website. Here, you don't actually have your own account with Amazon. You're kind of working through their account, and they're passing the commission on to you. So if you've been denied entrance into the Amazon affiliate program, this could work for you as well. So here's one that I just kind of threw together, just kind of goofing around. It's called the Sup Plug. It kind of sounds like butt plug. That's kind of weird, actually. Maybe I should think of a better name. But basically, I just put a bunch of like supplements and health foods and things like that on a landing page. So we got like protein chips. Here's kind of an interesting thing. I don't know if any of you guys follow Tom Bilyeu. He's got a YouTube channel where he kind of interviews different entrepreneurs. I was just watching one of his with Dame Dash. He's had David Goggins on there. I never really realized it, but he's actually the owner of Quest Nutrition, which makes, you know, protein chips, protein cookies, things like that. So I kind of just threw this one together. It's called the Sup Plug, bringing you the best supplements from pre-workouts to protein powders, supplements, fitness, workout, weights, weightlifting. So I could add, you know, resistance bands and ankle weights, gym locks. You know, I could do pretty much anything in the fitness niche. And essentially, I have a landing program or a landing page here. And then it can also link back to my social profile. So essentially, I have a website here that, you know, it's not a custom domain. I am shopper.com/the Sup Plug. However, what I could do if I wanted a custom domain, I mean, I already have the domain Rules for Rebels, but I could buy Rules for Rebels, and then I could forward it to this domain, and if somebody goes to RulesForRebels.com, they're taken to this domain. So if some of you guys don't want to mess with having to have a Shopify site or a WordPress site, Squarespace site, Wix site, something like that, you can build a site for free right through here. And again, this is kind of what my landing page looks like. The only real shortfall I saw with this is they don't really give me any way to break up products, or to kind of organize. So if I wanted to organize these into like pre-workouts, energy drinks, foods, it doesn't let me organize them. However, what I could do is just set up a new shop, and they'll let you set up kind of unlimited shops. And it's as easy as just clicking new shop, and I can set it up. Let's see, what is this? I think I have 14 products added. So if we wanted to, I could share it on social, I could get a link to my store, I could visit my shop, I could edit my store. But if we wanted to add new products, and here's kind of the affiliate programs that they're kind of partnered with. So we have eBay, the eBay Partner Network. We have Amazon. We have ASOS, Strawberry Net. Looks like that's a beauty one. Shein, I think that's clothes or beauty. Walmart, Best Buy, Sam Ash, Sennheiser, Panda Hall, Pink Queen, Udemy, Rosegale, Geek Buying, IK Multimedia, Milk, Hat Country, Mass Genie, Display, Macy's, Fun, Overton's, Wholesale, Party Supplies. So there's a bunch of them here. The one thing I reached out to the guy about, this could be beneficial if any of you guys have your own e-commerce stores. You could potentially try to get listed on here and kind of get access to all of their affiliates. But let's say I wanted to search a product on eBay. Let's say we wanted to search for an energy drink. So energy drink. And, here's the different energy drinks. So let's say we want to add amino energy from Optimum Nutrition. We would just click add to shop. If we wanted to put our own photo in there, we could do that. We'll just say, I love this BCAA amino acid energy drink. And it's that easy. It's been added to my shop. Commission for eBay items is 4 to 8%. And let's kind of touch on commission really quickly. So that's one area I asked this guy or suggested to him that they could maybe be more transparent in. 4 to 8% commission. Like, is that category dependent? If so, I'd like to know what categories are going to pay me 8% and what categories are going to pay me 4%. One other thing I was wondering, typically kind of how programs like this work is they're going to get a little cut of the commission of everything you do as well. So I think the eBay Partner Network, now, they may have a special arrangement worked out. I believe how the eBay Partner Network works out is, if I'm not mistaken, I believe it's a 50-50 split between you and eBay, but not of the total purchase price of the item, of the fees. So if somebody sells a $100 item on eBay in a category that has 6% seller fees, that would be a $6 commission. Well, eBay is going to keep half of it, so that's going to be $3. I get the other half, $3, so I made $3 off the sale. These guys are giving you a 4 to 8% commission. Now, I'm not sure whether that's the total cost of the item or the eBay fees. With Amazon, Amazon commissions are anywhere from 1 to 4%, I think, for most categories. Let's just say, for example, Walmart pays a 10% commission if you join the Walmart affiliate program directly. What I'm not quite clear on is Walmart pays a 10% commission. Are these guys paying me 7%? And they're pocketing the other 3%, or am I getting that full 10% commission from Walmart, and they've just worked out a special agreement with Walmart where Walmart's going to kick them an extra like 2%. This one, Walmart is 2 to 4% commission. Amazon, we got to request approval. And Amazon would be interesting for t-shirts. You could make landing pages with all different t-shirts. And since you can create kind of an unlimited number of stores, I think I left that page, we could potentially do like sports t-shirts, text t-shirts, illustration t-shirts, cacti t-shirts. So we kind of break that up. Let's look at some of these other programs here. Best Buy, this is actually pretty good. I think Best Buy normally has a pretty shitty affiliate program. I think Best Buy pays pretty much 1% across the board for everything, if I'm not mistaken. And I think for certain categories like TVs and stuff, they pay 0 commission, or video games. Let's see, what's another one that we've actually heard of? Let's see what Udemy is. Udemy, that's pretty good, 20% commission if someone buys a Udemy course. So if you're somebody who has a channel like mine and you want to recommend different courses, this would be a way to do that. Macy's 6% commission. So the commission, one of my concerns was, are these guys kind of taking some commission to where I would be better off just joining the Walmart affiliate program on my own, joining Amazon on my own. It looks like they pay pretty decent commissions, and in the case of Best Buy, like even better commissions than you can get on your own, maybe because they're going to be sending a lot of traffic and they kind of get some kind of bulk deal. So that's not that big of a concern to me. Let's go over here to Walmart real quick. I was going to make a yoga video, so we'll add a yoga mat. So yoga mat. Okay, let's add this to the shop as well. Super cute yoga mat. I love using. Easy peasy. It's been added to our store. Actually, I got to save the changes. Oh, shit, things are freezing up. Okay. Save. Next. And see, we got the yoga mat added to the shop right there. We can have a description, an enrichment card. We can add videos. Let's see what's custom design. If we want to kind of change the look of our store, we can do, you guys can see, things are changing here. Fancy, clean, different font, classic, free, gorgeous, superb. I like the clean look, and if we wanted to switch the color up, we could do purple, orange. You guys see this changing over here. I'm just going to leave mine at yellow there. Create your own banner, create your own icon, put some tags associated with your shop. Let's go to manage. This is where we can manage our stores. I could add new stores from here. I was going to try to get into the, okay, here's the analytics. So if any of my products that I have on my store got links, I could see how many visits, how many clicks, how many sales, conversion rate, earnings. They also have an affiliate program themselves. So I'm going to drop this one down in the description box below. If you guys sign up using my affiliate link, I'll get 5% of everything that you guys bring in. Nothing's coming out of your pocket for using my link. You get to keep your full commission. It's just shopper.com is going to cut me in. They're going to give me part of their commission for bringing people over here. So that's kind of cool if you want to encourage your friends to do this. Or you could even maybe make like a little mini business of, if you have some friends who are influencers, or you want to start reaching out to influencers and say, hey, let me set up an affiliate marketing program for you. I'm not going to take any money for doing it. I don't want any money. Just let me get it set up for you. Set it up using your affiliate link, and they get to keep their full money. And you also kind of get a cut of that as well. They got a Facebook group. Let's see, about us. Shopper approved. They kind of explain what it is. I did want to take you guys kind of over to their FAQ section, which can be found at the very bottom. And they kind of answer some questions here. There's still a few things that I kind of wanted to get cleared up. Let's see. What is Shopper and who is it for? Shopper allows influencers, creators, and any social media user to create their own shop, sell and buy items from their favorite e-commerce websites, and collect a fee. I would imagine a lot of affiliate programs don't let you use your own affiliate links to buy. I think you will be able to buy your own products through here because the affiliate program isn't in your name. You're kind of piggybacking off Shopper's affiliate program with Amazon. People recommended products they love, so you recommend products that you love, blah, blah, blah. Let's see. What is a Shopper Shop? Shopper Shop is a collection of your favorite items or products, usually grouped together with a theme for a specific purpose or activity. Shopper offers a customizable shop with its own look and feel, so you can share all your products with just one link and an easy-to-use dashboard for all your sales data, so you know exactly what's happening. So this looks like a gaming one. This guy's got Mario Kart race tracks, Mario Kart hats, etc., etc., etc. Let's see, what are channels? Channels are designed to... So I think channels are your social media profiles. Let's see, how do I open a shop? It's pretty simple, but, just open a shop, click new shop, start adding products to it. How do I edit? How do I add? How do I add a specific product? How do I customize my shop? What does it cost? It's free. There is a potential to earn a lot of money in return. You have the ability to earn between 5 to 15% commission on every sale. Note that commissions vary from one platform to another. but usually take 3 to 7 days to appear. So that kind of sucks. I would ideally like them to come in real time, but I kind of understand because how the platform's set up that they maybe have to do it this way. You can also share your referral link with anyone. Once they open an account using your link, you will earn 5% of all the profits that they generate. How and when do I get paid? I already got mine set up, but you need PayPal. You'll just plug in your PayPal address, and they'll pay you to PayPal. They do have a $50 payout threshold, which is pretty normal. Commissions vary from one platform to another, but usually take 3 to 7 days to appear. When you get to the $50 threshold, press on My Account on the menu and right-hand side, and so you go to the page, and you'll basically request a payout, and you can get your 50 bucks or more. The reason for that, I'm running a couple affiliate programs for some businesses right now, and it's like a huge headache for me to go in and pay someone for their $1.50 sale. And the people who are worried about being paid for 50 cents or $1, they're not going to wind up being people who are great affiliates anyway. So by keeping the threshold at $50, they're not having to make like $1 million $1 payouts every month. Let's see, what does it cost? How do I promote my shop? Put your links on social media and stuff like that. Is there a referral program? How can I find other shops? That's one other thing. I wish they kind of had some area where you could look through other people's shops. I haven't seen really kind of like a menu board where you can kind of sort through other people's stores. You actually need a direct link to be able to find somebody else's shop. That's maybe a suggestion for them. Maybe put together some type of storefront where you can search shops by niche and things like that to maybe get some ideas from other people. I'm a company that wants to make a shop. Can I do that? Yes, you can. What if I find offensive items or I want to block someone if you see somebody say something? Okay. So, yeah, I mean, I think that's pretty much everything. But again, this is my little shop I threw together. Took me all of about 5 minutes to do so. And again, just to kind of recap, you might be able to earn a little bit more joining all these affiliate programs on your own. The benefit to using these guys is, one, you're going to kind of get this nifty little landing page. You can create unlimited shops. You're not having to go create your own websites. If you're somebody who's been denied to the Amazon affiliate program or Amazon associate program, you will be able to join through these guys even if you don't have a website. And it's just a lot easier. I have a huge spreadsheet full of all my logins for all these different affiliate programs. And some affiliate programs are networks, and so it's a little bit easier. Things like JVZoo, ClickBank, CJ.com. These things are networks where you can create one account and join 200 different affiliate programs and manage everything from one dashboard. But in my experience, a lot of the best programs are individual programs. So, Walmart's affiliate program, Amazon's affiliate program, Best Buy's affiliate program, Target's affiliate program. And I have to go create affiliate accounts for all these different sites. I have to remember all these different logins. Every time I want a link, I have to go find my login, log in, find the product, create a deep link. Then you have affiliate programs like eBay that are kind of a pain in the butt to create links, and it's just a lot of steps. So here, I mean, there's one search box, type in the product that you want, one button to add it. This could be good for people who are doing like book reviews. And like I said, I will get the Amazon part turned on and kind of report back to you. But I'm guessing it should pull Amazon merch shirts. So if you wanted to kind of start creating landing pages for your Amazon merch shirts, this could be a great tool to do that for as well. Maybe I'll make a follow-up video once I get my Amazon stuff all set up. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this. And again, I will put my link down in the description box below. It's not going to cost you any commission or anything. So if you appreciate me making this video, you want to help me out, use my link to sign up, and I'll get a couple bucks as well. So do me a favor and do that. But if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.